Hi, welcome to my small but easily transportable channel, The Kilted Cyclist. Well, today there is no run or, come to think of it, music either, so I'm just going to be reviewing my folding bike, the Tern C7. It'll be a short one today, don't all cheer at once. I've done probably 500 miles on this bike and may do 500 more. Sounds like a song. And it really is perfect for my filming, surprisingly enough. Let's just do the review then, shall we? Okay, so you're a proper cyclist with a proper bike or three. No way do you need anything as lame as a folding bike. Really? Let me extol the virtues of a bike of the folding variety. Now, before I start, I am no bike expert, but I have logged over 25,000 miles on Strava and have had my fair share of bikes. First on the agenda is ease of transport. How many times have you been somewhere in your car and see a road or a promenade at the beach and thought, I would love to have a bike with me? Well, just hold on. So there you go, set up in literally seconds and you're good to go. Now I'm 6'3" and it fits me no problem, so I'm sure it fits everybody out there. So how does it compare to my good bike, which is carbon fibre and weighs about 8 kilos? Now it's great for me because it can go long distances. In fact, furthest I've been on this actual bike is 113 miles, so it's great for long distances, but it's not tremendously good for transportation. Now, as you see, it's just got normal pull brakes with calipers, and it's quite a basic setup with the Shimano gears, but as standard it's fitted with mudguards, so you're good to go. The pedals fold in to take up even less space, and the saddle goes up a fair height. Now it does feel as if sometimes you're actually sitting on a scooter rather than a bike, but after about 10 minutes on it you really get the feel for it, and because it's got such a low centre of gravity, it just whizzes through places and it's so stable, it's unbelievable. Now, I didn't think I would ever see myself owning a folding bike, never mind actually enjoying using it, so hey, you never can tell what's ahead of you. But if you're in the market for something like this, I would recommend that you go for something like the Tern C7, because it's quite robust. All the clips are really quite stable, and I've been down some kind of rough paths and bumpy roads, so it can go slightly off-road, but not to the same extent as probably you would do with a mountain bike or something like that. But yeah, definitely it's something to have in your locker, because as I say, just the ease of use, you just take it out the boot of the car and literally a minute and you're good to go anywhere. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Go and have a look at it yourself. Now, this is a Kilted Cyclist signing off. Bye for now.